nakakalabas silang init.
Wow, look at the road.
Ah, dito?
I want to go up there. Wait, are we? Oh, we can see cars above us. Let's look up there.
Nagstay kami dati dyan eh.
Dyan din kami nung anniversary nung church namin.
All. Tapos ang ganda ng pool nila sis. Ang laki.
Si Zoe bumaba kasi ang init na late kami nagising.
Deeply about.
Mama look at Xiaomi, the brown.
Sharks? How come sharks don't eat the fishes?
Because these ones are trained and behave.
What's big?
Oh, look at up there.
Wala bang ano dyan? Tilapia.
Even the sun. All of them. No, it's very fast.
Lalapit sila eh. Paano kumakain yung iba? Nakakapasok sila doon sa loob?
The small ones. The green fish is trying to eat.
Papa niyo pala yan.
Sa trabaho.
Chill out, I've never seen fishes this big before. Even like that.
Parang pa...
These fishes.
Their tails are actually a stinger.
Kuya, somebody forgot to look at.
Yeah, let's see.
No, the one with the blue helmet. A while ago it
Oh.
May pa-bathtub sis.
No, you're trying with Walmart. Yeah,
Who? Me or you?
I think you sent it home.
Wait,
Bali madilim.
eto maliwanag na. Kanina madilim. Iyan sis. Yung, yan.
Ganyan.
Oo.
Wow.
One,
Sige,
two,
sa
three.
Kasi laki ng chan.
Ano ka? Yung, close mo yung ano mo.
Ganito.
Close legs para ano.
Tapos, tingin ako sa malalim.
Dito. Baba mong konti yung neck. Nan. Ganun na.
Ganyan siya. Or doon.
Kahit saan basta wag nakataas yung neck. One, two, three. One more.
Tiyak. Si Kuya. I photographer lang. Napatalikod siya,
Ayan. Oh, naku. At iba yung hindi nakataas.
Oo.
Maliwanag
Sige,
ang
itim
wala.
ko. Ah, oo, maganda.
Diyan ka na? Yes,
Oo lang. Ano lang siya.
I'm gonna finally write down
ML lang. Tulog naman yun. Oo,
parang 60 yata dito.
Oo. Meron?
Will he scratch me?
Yeah.
No.
Okay, let's go. Up. Ito siguro, no? Trap yan. Sa likod. Wala. Doon. Turkish street food.
Parang lata yun.
Oo nga eh.
Yeah, but
Mama.
Ah,
Dad.
look at the eye. There you go.
ah, yeah. What is she asking?
She's gonna prank us, right?
Snickers. Car. Helado? Ay, di. What did you say? Huh?
I'm sweating.
You're sweating. And this one. OMG. It's a bad timing to come and walk in summer. We're going to that side. We've been walking for more than an hour already.
More than an hour?
Yeah.
Mama.
Alpha. Regrets? Summer.
Mama, I wanna go back
Oh,
now.
look at this wood back. You wanna go back now? We're still far from the destination.
I don't see her. Where is she? Mama?
She's ahead, Janelle.
Mhm. Alpha. want carry? Oh, but we are almost there. It's okay, baby ko. Let's go. We're almost there.
Just run.
We're almost there. Next time we bring Papa here. Papa, look at the view. Geneva is kaput. Free ride.
Dalawa.
Dalawa. Wala na siya. Pagod na talaga, sis.
Yan yung the parts.
Oo. Ano meron dyan?
Gusto na.
Alpha, you okay, malab? Pagod na?
Nakachinelas.
Eme, tamang tingin lang ako. This is hot dog. Okay na, sis. We're here. That's the Dubai Eye.
Can we go to
And with the kids.
I want to have ice cream.
Ice cream. Oo nga. Hindi, parang may purpose kung bakit siya ganyan, sis. O maglaro kayong tubig. Sige lang, sis.
Aircon, no?
Oo.
Hindi yan. Papasa.
Ang ganda ng kulay, sis.
Ah. Akala ko sa baba ka na. Video pala? Video pala?
Chess. Le chess.
Oh shit. Oh, maybe we could see, Mama. There's like a cart area.
Do you like ladders or sandwich?
I'm not gonna answer that.
Time check. It's 12:30. Laro pa. Ah, may timer.
Play Uno.
May ginawa yung sa common friend namin.
Play
Oh.
Uno. Play
Ano
Uno.
siya? Yung sa Las Alcaino ba? Ang ganda outdoor. Tapos, nag-share.
Zoe, why do you have... Wait, I won't look, okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's all...
I thought it's 7.
Oh,
Oh.
that's bad.
Last one.
Lakas naman.
Ganda lang sa bahay.
That's 2. Oh, wait, it's Zoe's turn.
No, your mom.
Hindi, kumuha na ako.
And then...
It's her turn.
Your turn, babe.
Zoe, your turn.
My turn.
Huh? Zoe! Zoe, this is a green! Wait, I'm gonna... Wait, this.
Your turn, Geneva. Uh-oh.
I'm just sitting in the table. Wow, yes, me. My knees are
Three.
Oh, no.
Oh dear.
Oh, dear. Whose turn is that?
Sorry. You have +5.
May 5 ka dyan.
1, 2, 3.
You want to sleep na?
I'm just gonna. Mama, can I have one more card, please?
Okay, choose.
On 6.
Why?
Turquoise, di.
Then si Soy Dama?
Sa dama yata yung una
Maa.
mabilis maubos.
May ganong dama. May damang ano din.
Damat yung
I'll keep this also. College or career? I'm talking to you.
damat. Yun yung ano.
Damat pala yon.
Sa
Zoe.
dama yung.
College or career?
Okay, so you have to pay the bank 100 immediately. And you have a choice. So it's a treasure hunt. So if you spin numbers 1 to 5, you only get 50 from the bank. And if you get 6 to 10, you get 100. So Zoe, you spin first. 10. So she gets 100.
Yay! How am I 100 back?
And keep the card. Okay, my turn. 5. 1, 2,
Ah, kung
3, 4,
dadaanan.
5. You see, we're always one step away.
Yeah, mine.
Be nice for a price. Ask everyone if they'd like a drink. Collect 50K from anyone who says yes and get the drink. No, really, get the drinks.
To make it comfortable for me to
So do you want?
Again, Jen.
May mga night market.
Ano meron sa
Tapos may bus, binato ng bato. Tapos tinamaan.
Wow, look at the lobster.
That's not a lobster. There.
Oh,
That's a lobster.
and then look at those teeny tiny shrimps.
Look at that, babe. Norway live king crab. Says chef.